Guys, this Infinix phone we are going to review is one of the most awaited budget smartphones in the market, the Infinix Hot 20s. So, if you are interested with this smartphone, stay tuned until the end. Infinix has again launched its brand new budget phone, aiming to be the best value for money gaming phone in the market. It was announced on October 13th this year and is now officially launched. With its MediaTek Helio G96 processor and bionic breathing cooling system, it keeps the phone cool when in use. It also has an all-around gaming network enhancement turbo to increase performance. Talking about the display and monitor, the size is 6.78 inches FHD Plus with screen resolution of 2460 by 1080 pixels. It is already IPS display with refresh rate of 120 Hz. Infinix Hot 20s runs in Android 12 or XOS 12 with MediaTek MT6781 Helio G96 and has GPU of Mali G57MC2. It has a very efficient processor of octa-core, specifically 2x 2.05 GHz Cortex-A76 and 6x 2 GHz Cortex-A55. It has 8 GB RAM plus 5 GB extended RAM, 128 GB storage and microSD card slot. It is sure you enjoyed this phone review, but before we proceed, please hit the like button below or check if you have not subscribed to this channel yet. If not, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification to get more updates. The triple rear cameras consists of the 50MP for the main, 2MP macro, 2MP depth, and the 8MP front camera with dual LED flash. It can take up to 1080p at 30 frames per second video. It can connect to 4G LTE using its dual SIM slots. For other connectivity, it comes with the Wi-Fi 5, which ensures the latest and fastest Wi-Fi connectivity. It also has Bluetooth, GPS, AGPS, USB-C, 3.5mm audio jack, stereo speakers, fingerprint scanner located on the side, and the most powerful 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging capability. The body dimension is 168.65 by 76.75 by 8.47 mm and weighs only 202 grams. You can choose from Sonic Black, Tempo Blue, Fantasy Purple, Light Rider White, and Neon editions. The SRP for this phone is 8,499 pesos only, available on Shopee and Lazada shops. It's very cheap with its specifications. It has a special early bird price of 7,849 pesos only, starting November 28th up to 30 exclusive on Lazada and Shopee. From December 1st onwards, it will be available on Lazada and Shopee for 7,999 pesos. So, if you want to get the early bird promo price, check the link in the description below to avail the promo. That's all for now. See you in my next one.